This custom model is very easy to guess. Let's see how many can guess it in the first seconds. The first seconds you see this video. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Trying to see if this is straight or no. Is it straight? Pretty much straight. Let's see the other side. Yep, it's pretty close. Pretty perfect. Let's see the top. A little bit. But the sides, they look straight. Very straight line. Yeah, this right here too. Just a little bit on this area right over here. It's not done yet. Yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm doing the next models a little different, so we might try to do our best close to the models, original models on the railway series or videos. Okay, I think we gotta move this piece right over here, or remove it. Gotta remove this part and find out a way to make sure these are in the right place. Okay. Yep. I think so far you already guess what I'm trying to do. Yeah, let me see. Can you see the roof? Oh, nice. Really cool. Yeah, I'm working on several projects, so I'm just giving you a little update. Alright, bye.